In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Gmail into dark mode. Now, the usual method which you see a lot on YouTube is that you come to these particular settings here, and then you come to the theme, click on all, and then you select dark mode from here. If I save this, you see we actually get this dark mode. But when I click on any email, let's just say I click on this particular email, you see we still have this white background. And the reason we have this is because TikTok sends messages with a black background. If I click on any of this, we still have this white surface. So I'm just going to come back and undo all of this. And then I'm going to start back from scratch. I'll go to this theme, this particular theme, and save that. So for us to be able to enable dark mode in Gmail, we need to enable a functionality that is going to bypass Gmail and enable dark mode for the entire web browser. So I'm going to click on a new tab here, and I'm going to paste a code right here. I'm going to add it to the description of this video, or you can just type it out. Now, this is the code I've added. Chrome :/2/flags /enable -force-dark. I'm going to click enter, and it brings me to this page. Auto dark mode for web contents. I'm going to enable it, and after enabling it, I'm going to have to relaunch my browser. As you see beneath here, I'll click to relaunch. Now, when I relaunch my browser, you see everything is now in dark mode. If I now come to my Gmail, you see it's now in dark mode. And this is the email I opened. If I go back to my inbox, it's in dark mode. And if I open this email, it is also in dark mode. So that is how to set your Gmail to dark mode. Now, if I want to undo this, I'll simply come here and click on disable. And then I'll relaunch this browser, and it's going to come back to the normal mode. You can see I've now changed it back to the normal default mode. And even on Gmail, you can see it's on the default mode. So all in a nutshell, that is how to change Gmail to dark mode. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. God bless you. Peace.